An engine misfire occurs when a cylinder fails to combust properly. Normally, the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture, creating a controlled explosion that drives the piston. But with a misfire, that explosion is incomplete or absent. This can be caused by a faulty spark plug, a weak ignition coil, a clogged fuel injector, or even a problem with the engine's timing system. Diagnostic tools can identify the specific cylinder misfiring and pinpoint the cause. Fixing the underlying issue restores the proper combustion cycle, eliminating the misfire and restoring engine performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.